Hi guys, this is Swapnil Vicky, and in this video I will show you an ultimate way to save your battery and increase your battery backup of your Android phone. So if your Android phone's battery is draining too fast and you can't do anything to save it, then here's a method to increase your battery life as well as your battery will stay long. So let us start. So there are three apps I will show you. So the first one is the Greenify. It will help you to hibernate all your apps so you can use it. So you can use it as well as on rooted device and non-rooted device. So my device is rooted, but still I will choose non-rooted option. Now give it all the permissions. So if you have tried also that reducing the brightness of your phone will also not help you to increase the battery backup. So now all set, just put into hibernate now. So no need to hibernate. So you will see many apps that you need to hibernate. So these are all running apps I have. So you can hibernate it and it will not run in the background and your battery will not reduce. And the second app is Pixel Filter. So if you have tried to reduce the brightness of your phone and you think that it will help you to save your battery, then you are wrong. It will use the battery. If you have full brightness or low brightness, it doesn't matter. So this Pixel Filter app will help you to reduce the battery consumption. So it is much complicated, but it's easy. So a filter is added to my phone and now the display will take less power and your battery will save. So you can see the difference in the previous one and this one pixels. So let me disable it and let's see what happens. So now you can see that it's too clear now, and you can also choose the pattern. So 88%, as you can see. So it will help you to save your battery. Or if you're using any type of battery saver app, then please uninstall it because it will not gonna help you to save its battery. And the third app is hibernation. So you will get all the apps on the Play Store, hibernation manager. So you will not need root access for using this app. Just grant the root access and all the things you need is there. So it will totally hibernate your phone, and it will also hibernate your CPU. So what you need to work or not work, you can also turn it on or off from here. Because if your Wi-Fi is off but still it keep running in the background, but if you use this app, then the problem will be solved and your battery is also will be less consumed. So you can see my battery is 18% and also 6 hours is left on my battery. So you can think how much it will help you and how much it can save your battery. So you can think that only 18% battery I have and 6 hours is left on my phone. So you can see the Wi-Fi is keep turning on from here, but I didn't on it. So you must use this app. Try this all, and please like the video, subscribe the channel for more videos like this.